Good evening, guys. We are going to talk about Roman voting. So it's more simply than the other techniques. So it's all about Roman thumbs. The idea is to say yes or no, or in some of the case it will be undecided. For there is no position. So the question is could be yes or no. Team members vote by using their hands. To give a thumbs up, it means yes, or thumbs down, it means no, or horizontal thumbs. It's very simple. So normally the Roman voting used where everyone votes simultaneously. So in the same room, like we are here, so we can go for voting. So it's depending of decision-making rules. So a PM or Scrum Master also may have each person in the group to select one of the three decision. So either it will be yes, it means agreed on the subject, on the agreement, on the proposal. It depends of the topic, or he can give a thumbs down. It means no or disagreed, or he can also in some of the someone he don't have a clear decision, clear vision, so he will have thumbs, horizontal thumbs. That's it. It's too simple because all of us we are using in WhatsApp or whatever.
So you understand it?